morning, I'm Rob Dietrich with Project Matrix. I'm the Vice President of Project Matrix. And as you might have already seen or heard, we are now part of Configura. We are Project Matrix, a Configura group company. So we're going to talk a little bit about our product lines and a little bit about Project Matrix. So Project Matrix itself has been around for 34 years in the contract commercial furniture side of things. We publish over 200 different manufacturers at a very low cost, which is zero to the manufacturers, and have industry standards of getting the data turned around very, very quickly. So real quick about the Project Matrix software lineup. Our flagship product is Project Spec, which is our bill of materials. It reads and writes CIF data, so it can come out of any specifier like project symbols for CET or any of the Configura products, project symbols for AutoCAD or our Project Workspace product, or read any other CIF file that is out in the industry. We also have two different CAD platforms that we work on, and then our utility set, which is Project Notify, and that's how we get the data out to all of the manufacturers, all the manufacturers' data out to our dealers instantaneously. It sits on the user's computer and will automatically update anytime there's a manufacturer change. So real quick, I'm the Vice President of Project Matrix right now. Aaron Coral is our Vice President of Sales and Marketing. Our senior leadership team, Steve Alstead, Larry Birch, and Mark Heron, are now senior advisors under the Configura brand. And as I mentioned, we have Project Notify, which is leading the industry in being able to turn around the catalog data. Again, we don't charge manufacturers anything to be in our platform, which again goes through all the programs that we mentioned and gets the manufacturer into Configura as well right now. Again, Project Spec is a basically worksheet style program that works with any CIF file. So you can have a salesperson just pull up Project Spec and spec a few different pieces or parts, or they can take a full floor plan and deal with thousands of lines to create quotes and bill of materials and all sorts of different presentations. And then again, within the CET Commercial Interiors platform, we allow the manufacturers that we publish direct access into CET through our project symbols for CET. And that will continue as this new partnership evolves. My resource library has been a partner with us for about 5 years. We're really excited to kind of show some of the technology that we have with MRL. And I'm going to do a quick little presentation here, and we're going to try a live demo based on our Wi-Fi connection here. But some of the manufacturers have the ability, well, all manufacturers have the ability to do this, is to create a different set of data just included with their publication. A couple extra very simple fields. It's very easy to do. So, for example, I can go into Tonic. I can select one of the products, and I can drag and drop that right into Project Spec. So we're going to try that right now. I've got one more slide here. So we offer all sorts of different training aspects. We do YouTube videos, we do online training, and then we'll also do on-site training, obviously, once everything is settled down a little bit. But you can find out everything about Project Matrix and the new partnership at projectmatrix.com. So let's just jump in real quick to the MRL website. So again, I can go into a binder, select a product. I can go over here to the part number groups. Oh, thank you, Alexander. We'll back up here. Why didn't my PowerPoint go away? There we go. So again, we'll go into the Tonic binder. We'll go into one of their product lines. We're going to go over here to the side. So this is the binder options that you can do to get those extra parts and pieces. Let's go to planters. And depending on the product lines, there might be 2 parts, there could be 200 parts in here. But we're just going to grab one. Obviously, with dual monitors, it's a little bit easier, but I'm going to drag it down to project spec. And as I let go, it's going to put the part number in there. So all I need to do is go to our part specifier. It's brought in that part number. And then I can go through and fully option that out within project spec. And with some of the manufacturers, they will provide swatch colors, which will also apply to the part. I could do this in CET Designer. It's going to drag and drop. It'll render in color in that case. But at this point, I can go ahead and hit accept. And now I have the full specifications for that part. It is ready to order right out of the idea books and MRL or any of their binders. So it's great partnership. Again, that works through all of our software, project spec, or my resource for my resource library to project spec, or CET commercial interiors. All right.